Good day everyone. Today I will be presenting our case analysis titled Human Nature, a study of Gandang Kalikasan INC. Problem identification. Human nature addresses multiple social problems in the Philippines. First, widespread poverty and lack of sustainable livelihood affect marginalized communities. Many workers, especially women and residents of urban poor areas, struggle to find stable employment or area paid below living wages. Second, the proliferation of chemical-based personal care product contributes to environmental degradation and exposes consumers to harmful substances. Third, the country has a strong dependence on imported products, which limits the growth of local industries and discourage the use of abundant Philippine natural resources. These problems exist because of systemic poverty, unfair labor practices, exploitative supply and chains, and consumers' preference for cheap mass-produced goods. They persist because of multinational corporations dominate the market and local farmers or workers often lack access to markets. Training and fair opportunities, large corporations and middlemen benefit from situation while small producers remain disadvantaged.
Model of social enterprise. Human nature follows an integrated hybrid model of social entrepreneurship. This business operations, manufacturing and selling natural products are inseparable connected to its social mission of supporting the poor, promoting local industries, and protecting the environment. For example, farmers who grow raw ingredients like citronella, coconuts, and lemongrass are the part of the value chain. Workers from Gawad Kalinga communities are employed in production and receive living wages. This every purchase directly support human nature, social and environment.
Day, sir. As a continue of our presentations about human nature's Gandang Kalikasan INC, opportunity recognitions, the founders of Human Nature's, Dylan Well, Ana Miloto Well, and Camille Miloto recognized the opportunity through personal involvement. In Gawad Kalinga's poverty alleviation work, they observed that despite strong local resources, many communities lack sustainable livelihood. They also noticed growing consumer demand for eco-friendly and natural products worldwide. By combining this insight with research on the Philippines' abundant raw materials, they identified an opportunity to create a line of products that are proudly Filipino, environmental safe, and socially responsible. As of continue,
Business Model Canvas. Key partners, local farmers, Gawad Kalinga communities, distributors, social enterprises, retail outlets. Key activities, product development, sourcing raw materials, manufacturing, marketing, distribution. Value propositions, affordable, natural Filipino-made products. Every purchase helps the poor and protects nature. Customer segments, eco-conscious consumers, middle class families, social advocates, overseas Filipinos. Channels, direct seller retail shops, online store refill stations. Key resources, natural raw materials, trained workers from poor communities, research laboratories, brand reputation. Cost structure, manufacturing cost, fair wages, training programs, sustainable sourcing expenses. And revenue streams, sales of personal care, home care, cosmetics, and refill products. Competitive advantage. Human nature stands out from mainstream corporation by embedding the triple bottom line. People, planet, and profit. into its core business model. Unlike competitors, it pays living wages above the minimum, supports farming communities, and invests in environmental sustainability. It refills stations which reduce plastic waste, give it a competitive edge in promoting eco-friendly consumption. Furthermore, its identity as a 100% Filipino-made brand strengthens national pride and builds customer loyalty.
And I say, as a future entrepreneur, our group learned that business can be a powerful tool for social change. A company can remain profitable while also addressing poverty, protecting the environment, and promoting national development. Human nature shows that ethical business practices such as fair wage and sustainable sourcing are possible and beneficial in the long term. In our community, we can apply this lesson by identifying local resources and talents that can be transformed rather into products or services by integrating a social mission and into our business model. We can create enterprises that not only generate income but also solve. So that's all, sir. Thank you.